this. Let me see here. Put on 3D. Alright. So we now have tornado watch number 583 is in effect until 10 p.m. That did extend. That includes for portions of the East Texas area, Louisiana, and the Arkansas area. So again, we might see some more tornadic activity, like we did have a lot of tornado warnings issued. So there was tornado warnings over the Fort Worth DFW area. So that's why we need to be prepared if you're in the Texas area. So the main concern will be the tornado threat and the severe wind. That is high, but EF2 plus tornadoes is on the moderate side. Severe hail is on the moderate side, and 2 plus is on the moderate side. So I'm going to talk about because like that. So thunderstorm outlook, we already see the tornado watch number 570. No, not 5, but 583. Look at that. All the way it extends all the way toward the Missouri area. We're watching some heavy snow over the Minneapolis area and toward the Fargos. But Omaha looked pretty fine out there. Just a little bit of shower near the Omaha area, just heading toward just inside of leaving from the Nebraska area, now heading toward the eastern portions of Iowa, passing St. Joseph over the 29 corridor. So it's just passed over Kansas City now. Now it's heading toward Iowa. Probably is moving right now. So I think it's headed toward Des Moines or something. I don't know. So we have to find out. So the midst of discussion. No, I don't want to go into that. So we're watching the snow and the particular severe weather down over the state. The snow is over the it's over. All right, so let's talk about the Storm Prediction Center. There's a severe threat for today. So if anybody is in enhanced risk, that includes for New Orleans down. Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, in enhanced risk, slight risk, and a marginal risk on top. So the T-storm risk is going to stick around. If we see a tornado warning pop up, we're going to continue updating. But we're watching that snow right there that is moving towards the other side, leaving the state. We see a little bit of snow over the Colorado area toward Denver. That snow boundary will reach Denver like a few minutes or so. There goes Fort Collins was hit by the snow, but Fort Collins, you're getting a round 2 because look behind you. There's snow right there, and the snow could be heavy at times and some freezing rain. So it's passing over the I-25 corridor near Cheney, and some snow over Larmick, and some snow over the US 85 area. So Fort Collins, you got a round 1 of a little bit of snow. Now Denver is now getting the round 1 that just passed Fort Collins, but Denver, after it passed Fort Collins, probably it will go to Denver right now. So round 2 for Fort Collins. We got some snow over Salt Lake City in Utah, as we see here. So there's a lot of snow. Bay Area look pretty good out there. Sacramento, St. Frisco, St. Jose look pretty good out there. No, so we have a wet day last time, a couple days ago for the Bay Area. Seattle area look pretty good out there. Portland, pretty fine. See a little bit of rain and snow over past Phoenix at the time. Some rain and snow mix near Phoenix. Some snow over, I think, Flagstaff look pretty fine out there. The I-17 look pretty good out there. All right, so sorry to bother you about the cities that we talk about now. But let's go back to the severe threat. Now we have a severe thunderstorm warning just popped up until 7:45. That includes for every city inside. I'm not going to talk about the counties that's in this, but anyways, this is just near Pine Bluff that we see a lot of heavy rain and some other stuff. We have a severe thunderstorm warning just near Little Rock, Arkansas, as we see it. But we need to talk about, okay, so our Florida area looked pretty fine. We did have rain like an hour ago. See, is leaving now. The rain that we have in my area, it is leaving now. You see three gray dots. That is that's downtown West Palm, Riviera Beach, and that's my location. So the rain is leaving. Some showers over Vero Beach and Port St. Lucie back to White City, Fort Pierce. Some rain over Orlando. You're now getting some drizzle right there. Titusville got some rain, but there's a little bit of a rain headed to you after you get to the lake. Oak Hill, in front, we have some rain over near the Panama City area. Now heading toward the Panama City area. So that's what to talk about. So Florida right here is getting some severe weather. So the slight risk is up for the Jacksonville, Orlando, Cape Coral area, Tampa areas. And for the moderate risk, that includes for the Okeechobee, parts of Indian River County in our area. Moderate risk stays around over the Florida Panhandle, down in Tallahassee, down into Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. So we might see some isolated tornadoes with these storms. Our area look pretty fine, just sticking around with the T-storm risk right now. So isolated tornadoes will be possible, including small hail and damaging winds. But the only thing we can get tornadoes is with the slight risk that is cool for the area right there. So where we get the tornadoes, well, the tornado will be up for the it will be up for the Jacksonville area, probably in the Orlando area. But anyways, let's go back to it. So anyways, we don't have any ongoing tornado warnings, but we have one severe thunderstorm warning in place. So let's take that away now and go back to the radar in the force. So now we have that potential of severe weather. Memphis look pretty fine, but anyways, it just gained some showers and storms right there, severe weather. So by the time we get into New Orleans, look pretty fine out there, but I think it's getting around 2. It's in the enhanced risk, but anyways, I don't know this. Let's go on the Weather Channel to see the severe potential for severe weather is going to be down into the Louisiana area. So our area looks pretty fine out there. Rain shower, not pretty fine, a little bit cloudy. Rain that needs 7:45 at our location. More rain is also possible during it. We might see some more showers. I don't want no ads, seriously. But anyways, let's go. Our area look pretty rainy out there. So there's a level 3 that includes for all of Louisiana to Jackson. So let's go on it. Let's start with Jackson. So the hail threat is at a level 2, but tornado and wind threat is level 3. So that's Jackson. What about small area Philadelphia? A level 2 and level 1. For the Baltimore Road area, level 2 for wind and hail, level 3 of a tornado threat. Lafayette, am I right? Level 3? Yes, same thing for Baton Rouge. Down into New Orleans, level 2 for tornado threat and wind threat, hail threat, 1. And as we get into Mobile, Alabama, all level 1. But Gulfport, level 2, I have a tornado threat. So we only have a level 3 right now. And down into Houston, we might see a level 1 of a tornado. Now we did have some tornadoes over the Dallas-Fort Worth area. In Shreveport, now we have a particular large tornado was on the ground, but that did expire. and that was the last city that we're gonna have. So let's go back onto the actually let's go on my radar and see if there's any active tornado warnings issued. But anyways, we have that still. We have a big area with that light green polygon with all this flood warnings and flood watches that is issued. That goes all the way down from Louisiana all the way toward parts of Tennessee. And we have that tornado watch, that yellow polygon that did extend into 10 p.m. tonight. So scatter large hail is possible. And again, what tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes to form. That's why we have those particular strong tornadoes, because of the level 3 risk and the enhanced risk. So now we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is issued until 6:45. We have several power outages. The blue, White County, Long County, Tupelo, Jefferson County, and Grant County. As we get Grant County, all right, we have a power outage. We have a power outages in your Fort Smith, Crawford County, and that's just near Fort Smith. So we have more power outages. McLean power outage, McLean as well. And can we see more power outage? Oh, there's one just at the tornado watch polygon thing. Columbia County, just like Columbia, like a city. We have several special weather statements in effect. And we have that yellow thing just near Memphis, DeSoto County. So power outage, though, yeah. Anyways, let's go back up to the radar. So now we have a warning. We have a tornado warning that is issued just near Alexander till 6:45, and it's severe, and that includes Interstate 49 between 64 and 78 mile markers, and in a severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado. I'm trying to track that circulation that we do have from that cell. So that's the only tornado that we have. We have another tornado warning. Let's go on to the storm tracker and see what's going on right now, so we can track that circulation thing. So let's talk about that circulation thing. Hold on, I got a text from First Coast, WFLA now. I'm sorry, WFAA, Dallas Fort Worth. And alright. So, where's the tornado warning? Or do they expired it? Where? Okay, I thought it was not here for some reason, because I don't know. Let's go put on the EME thing so we can track that thing. There goes that yellow polygon here. That's where that cell is. So probably that circulation is right down here. Let's take off EME so that we can track that circulation thing. Actually, let's put it back on, because yeah, I think that circulation, I think it's right down here or on the other side. So that's why we have that tornado warning in place. If you're in this warning, take cover right now. You see this? I circled this. That's a yellow polygon. And I think that cell is right down here. I just draw a 6. What a funny name. But anyways, I think this that's where I circled the 6. Probably that's where that cell is. As we draw a C, that's where that cell is. So that cold that causes the severe weather. There's a low. I draw an L. That's where the low pressure is. Let me put it on red so that's the same color as well. So the L, the low pressure the low pressure that caused all of this severe weather, and the cold front. Right here, the cold front, right down to here. That's where that cold front is pushing all of this. The activity is over on that side right there, so that's where. And that side is pushing all the way down into the upper half. But again, we have a potential for severe weather. I circle the Florida area. We have the potential for severe weather across the Jacksonville to the Orlando areas. But again, we're going to continue watching that into Thursday. So we have that tornado warning that we do have until 6:45. That is just near Alexandria at this point. Let me put in the ball. Excuse me for a second. So let's put in the circle. Oops, I'm sorry, I blocked. Oh my god, I blocked. All right. Anyways, nope, not that either. Anyways, you see this big circle? That's where that polygon is, and you can circle. That's where that tornado watch is, and that severe weather threat is across that area. So that's where we have another activity over here. That's there, but again, the Florida area experiencing some severe weather, but again, that'll happen on Tuesday. So let's go back onto Fox weather and see all of this happening. And yeah, so our area looked pretty fun, mostly cloudy, showers in the vicinity, but we're not going to talk about that in our area. So that tornado warning is in effect 6:45. Take cover right now. Now it shows the if you're anywhere near Woodworth, Grimora, Leprechaun, take cover now, because I think where that circulation is. Don't stay out there to look for the tornado. Alright. Don't stay and wait for the tornado to come in your area. Please take cover right now. This is very serious. If a warning is issued, find your shelter now. Think it is on the ground, not just radar indicated rotation or circulation in this one of these cells. Think of it as on the ground. Just take shelter right now. Get your kids, get your pets, get your family safe. Don't just go out there taking pictures and wait for the tornado to come to your area. That is very serious. Even nighttime tornadoes are twice as deadly, as you see here. So we now have a severe thunderstorm warning that is still issued for the New York Pine Bluff area. And again, it's until 7:45. So we have a tornado warning that is past the I-49. So that is issued until 7:45. So the radar is indicating rotation. This is by the National Weather Service, but in Rapties. Where's Rapties anyways? There goes Lafayette down there. But I think Rapties, yeah, it was issued by Rapties. Shreveport looked pretty fine. We're still dealing with that heavy rainfall near Shreveport. So Little Rock is issued as well. Rogers, Fayetteville, and Fort Smith look pretty fine out there. But we did get the potential for severe weather. So let's stop this right now. So that's where that tornado warning is. Begin to take cover right now. So, it's like that kind of look like a fish tail, as you see here. That green color right there, that kind of looks like a fish tail, just near the warning box right there. Sorry, not box, but polygon. That red polygon just near the tornado warning. But that kind of look like a fish. Let me zoom in. That kind of look like a fish tail right near, just near Woodworth. No, I'm not Woodworth, but Glenmora. I would see that fish tail. So probably that's where that circulation is right now. Let me track it on my storm tracker. So I'll give you guys a good look where that fish tail is. That fish tail circulation that we see have. I didn't notice that has a fish tail. So, alright, that's where that one cell right now. If we can see in my IME thing, yeah, I think that's where the fish tail is right now. That's where that fish tail is. And that's where down the circulation right down here. So again, take cover right now, because Now, it kind of look like a circulation right down here, just near Glenmora. So that's kind of look like a fishtail, but again, take cover right now. If you're anywhere near Woodworth, Lacoma, Glenmora. So we have two warnings: severe thunderstorm, tornado. Look at all those snow over there. We see some heavy, dark blue. That is near Crookston and Grand Forks, just past Fargo. But that indicates some heavy snow right now. So Fort Collins, and so right now, so again, right now, our Florida area is getting the severe weather potential on Thursday. So we have to keep an eye on Thursday. So here's a divided radar in high definition. So we see that tornado warning cell right now. We don't have no indicator of a rotation or a strong rotating storm. But anyways, we have rotating storms over there all the way towards the Palmton area. That's why you have that tornado watch box right there. Let's go back on my radar. 21 minutes of the video. You see that low pressure, and we see that cold front right there. We have some rain over the Deerfield Beach area. It's now starting. But now, so where's that tornado watch? Is it in the oh, there it is. It was a little bit delayed at the second time. Anyways, so that circulation just moved near Forest Hill. If you're anywhere near Forest Hill, take cover right now if you're in the area of Forest Hill. But again, Glenmora, Lacoma, Woodworth, just near Alexandria, take cover right now. So your update will be coming by 7:35 or 7:40. But again, a tornado warning is issued. If any more tornado warnings are issued, we'll keep you posted, keep you updated and online. So that's it for the severe weather update.